Are you tired of burning money on paid ads and other forms of advertising that aren't working for your business?
Or maybe you want to pay once, but get advertising for years.
Time to get more leads for your business by investing in a professional vehicle wrap. When you get your vehicle wrapped, you can get up to 70,000 impressions daily.
A single vehicle wrap can generate up to 12 million views a year, so you can stop burning your money on crappy ads.
Meaning, you ain't gotta sell a kidney just to afford it.
Dude, why are you dressed like that?
I've always wanted to be a farmer.
Did you know that a vehicle wrap can preserve the paint underneath?
And when you're ready for a change, you just gotta peel it off to reveal a pristine finish.
Dude, can you change, please?
Fine. Today we're here with one of our happy customers, Carlos.
Hi.
Carlos, why don't you tell them a little bit about how your business was before the vehicle wrap?
I had no customers.
How was it after the vehicle wrap?
I have tons of customers.
There it is, folks. If that's not a testimonial, I don't know what is. Me and my brother started this company in 2019 to give businesses like yourself an edge over the rest. And when you're ready, we'll sit down with you personally and craft your perfect design. We can wrap your car, van, trailer, or your little dog, Scruffy. And we'll show you what your vehicle's gonna look like before we even wrap it. And if you don't love it, you don't pay. Scroll down to learn more about how we can help your business generate more leads. Can somebody come and wrap Scruffy?
Coming!
Thank you.